I'm an addict for sneakers, 20s a Buddha and bitches with beepers. In the streets I could greet you about.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Nature Below G, often imitated, never duplicated. Sheesh. Bring you the best on piece of the game! Yo, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you can stay in tune with all the fire that I got coming. Yo, let's go ahead, let's get into this like right about now. So let's go ahead and do it. We got these joints right here. Boom! You already see it. Nike box. Oh man, I had to go ahead and get these joints. Definitely for after watching The Last Dance. Yo, Scottie Pippin is the truth. You know, he is like, his personality is like a real, like, you know what I'm saying, personality, and I'm really like, I don't know. I just dig it. Anyway, you see the box. We don't care about the box. We want to know what's inside the box. This box. Let's see these shoes right now. Boom! We had to go ahead and pick these joints up. The Nike Air Uptempos. This is the Olympic colorway, that blue and white, inspired by the Dream Team. These are the Scottie Pippin joints. Got that number on the back. But let's go ahead and get up close and personal with these joints. I had to pick these up. Man, these joints fire, man. Gotta have some up-tempos in the collection. But let's go ahead, take it to the table, look at the details of the shoe, and then we're gonna go ahead, head over to the wood grain and do that cold-ass on feet. Let's go! Boom! Yo, the Air Uptempo. So happy to have these in my collection. Yo, this Uptempo, man, it is what it is. If you've seen the Uptempo, you've already know what these about. Anyway, let's look at it. You got that bubble all the way across. You got Air in the big letters. Nike on the toe box right there with that blue stitched in Nike. Also on the tongue behind this strap right here, you have a red Nike sign right there like so. Inside the shoe, you also have Air there. Bubbles all the way across. Yo, these things feel amazing on feet. Definitely if you're playing ball. Does have not Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippin's number that he did wear in the Olympics, that number 8 right there. Bubble Nike check on the back of the sole. Yo, these joints is fire. I really like this colorway. Yo, that Dream Team was amazing, man. Especially when they show footage of Scottie Pippin, you know, giving the business to Tony Kukoc. Man, can you believe that everybody was calling him Tony Kukoc and Kukocs and all that other stuff? Anyway, these joints is fire. Let's go ahead, take it to the on feet, and then we're gonna get more into discussion about the shoes. You know, is this a pair that you picked up? Do you like them? You know what I mean? Is it a pair you rock? Have you played with these on court? Anyway, we're gonna save that part for when we end out the video. Let's go ahead and take it to the on feet, because that's what we here for. Let's go!
Dollar. He say he the GOAT, I come for his body. Platinum cause he bought the copies. Should've just passed me the torch, I got no remorse, I beat him like Rocky. I fill the tank up with diesel, you jealous of me and I see you. Cause on this day, originals just can't fuck with this sequel. New school, got new hits, Space Jam, not blue chips. Hangman, yo shoe shit, Dame 6, I'm too lit. Big name, got big brand, but you corny. Gift bags get purchased. Every time you get horny, then they repo. Love you when you was in beast mode. Loki thought you was a cheat code. Know that you shoot for the cheap hoes. Shoot any work like your freak throws. Know you see my pockets deep, so you flexing ain't really a thing, bro. We both could be working at Kinko's. And Kobe, when you them rings don't owe. Nursery rhyme spitting, small cars sitting, oh. Icy hot poster boy, TNT snitching you. Big man hating, mad at my existence. Had a song with Bad Boy. And I'm Jordan to the Pistons, still getting to the chicken. This ain't nothing new to me. I always been a chosen one. Nothing you could do with me. This what rich looked like before the dough and jewelry. From what time,
man, after that on feet, what do you guys think about the up-tempos, man? You know something, I cannot believe they did not pay Scottie. How you not pay Scottie, man? Joe, I didn't even show you guys the bottom of these joints. Got the Nike checks right there. Got that bubble right there also, man. Inside that, and you got that Olympic gold colorway right there, man. These joints are straight fire, a must have in your collection. Just to be a little versatile, you know what I'm saying? I know a couple years ago when they dropped the sub tempos, everybody's really hyped about up tempos. Seems like the hype has died down. Is this a shoe like worth going for? If you are feeling this shoe, the shoe recently was on sale. So you could probably come up on these. I think they were on sale for like $100 bucks. You know what I'm saying? So that's way like cheaper than what the actual price of them were. So yeah, go for that. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have you some extra things inside your collection. It ain't only Jordans, Mike. It ain't only Jordans, Yeezys, and super duper hype product. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go ahead and get that versatility in your game so you can have like a different type of fire. So, yo, I rock with them. Do you? You know what I'm saying? Yo, that's all that is. Yo, I really do appreciate you guys for liking my videos, watching the videos, and subscribing again. We're almost there to that giveaway time. We got 1,500 more subscribers to get, and we will be there, and I will be giving away my personal pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and make sure you subscribe. The next video, I'm gonna say that part in the beginning. You know what I mean? So maybe people can be put on game. Anyway, that's it. Oh, before we go, I gotta give you guys some positive feedback. I'm doing real good at this, and actually it cheers me up. You know what I mean? Sometimes I say that positive stuff, and it just reminds me, you know, how I need to just stay positive and, you know, look at things through a different lens. And then when I go back and watch these videos and I make it to the end and get that positive feedback, you know, it's just I don't know how to say it. It just gives me life. You know what I'm saying? It gives me like a whole different type of energy, and I just feel better. I feel better about myself and what I'm doing. So let me go ahead and give you guys that positive feedback, that positive energy right now. This is what we're gonna leave with today. Let me put these joints down. So the positive feedback that I want to give today, and this is like, I don't know, it ain't like real deep, but it's deep though. So here you go. You ready? Change the game. Don't let the game change you. Hey, what more can I say?
Can't see myself getting out the game no time soon. As I continue, as I